Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can turn a video into a cartoon. And this is a very interesting software, and this is actually not expensive. I think depending on the country, then you can see the pricing. I think there's also a free trial that you can try to use, and this is a mobile app. Okay, the software is called Toonita, and this will turn your video into a cartoon. Okay, personally, I have purchased this software and I think it cost me less than 20 US. I think it depends on the country that you are in. So I'm in Singapore, so it cost me less than 20 US and I'm using the Google Play. So the pricing may be different for Apple Store or anything like that. But let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to turn this particular video into a cartoon. Let's take a look first, and I hope that this video don't get a copyright strike. This is the video that I'm going to use. Okay, so yes, this is a video that I'm going to use. So there's a lot of action inside it, precisely, and that's why I chose to use this particular video because of the action. So we can see the software in action. So this is actually called Toonita video. You can download it from your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So to start, let's just click on this one. And then we can choose from camera by default. So I have only one video clip over here, and I'll just select this one. And after you select, you have all the different effects over here, but the main thing about this software is actually the cartoon. So let's click on this cartoon over here, and if you take a click on the cartoon, you can see now the whole video is in cartoon. And this particular software uses your mobile phone processor. So this is not using their server. So it depends on your mobile phone processor. It don't have a minimum spec, but the higher your processor or the better your phone, then the faster it generates. So if you are using a 5-year-old phone, then expect some time to generate the video. So with that, let's just click on this play button over here, or is it the play? Or is it the upload? I think I should click on this upload over here. Okay, then you'll tell me to select. So I'm going to select the highest frame rate, 1080p, and then click on this export. And then you'll say here it takes 4 minutes because I'm using a pretty old phone. This is not a fast phone, so it takes me 4 minutes. And then you can see the slow process over here. And let me come back to you in 4 minute times. Thank you. Okay, so we are pretty much almost done now. Now it's left about 30 seconds. And this is by far the easiest and most simple way to create a video and turn a video into cartoon with just one click. All you have to do is to load up the software, and the software is actually not expensive because it cost me less than $20 US per year. So this is on a 1 year kind of stuff. And if you are doing a lot of this kind of cartoon stuff, then I think this software suits you well. Of course, if you are doing just 1 or 2 or just a 30-second kind of thing, then it's different. Okay, we can share this. Let's take a look first. Let's preview it. And I need to find the clips. Let me find the clip first. And then we have the clip over here, and let me just play it. Okay, so I've downloaded it and we can watch this video together. This is the cartoon part of it. Okay, I don't know how you think about it, but to me, I think this video to cartoon, this is quite realistic already. And just using your mobile phone and a mobile app called Toonita. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe, and you can explore the Toonita video. I'll leave this link on the description below. Basically, or you can just search for this on the Google Play and App Store. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.